Did you hear about the brain chip that lets you control devices with your mind? Babe, you should. Imagine this. You're chilling on the couch and boom, you can turn off the lights just by thinking about it. Sounds like a superpower, right? But no, it's actual science and it's actually there. Scientists at Synchron created a brain-computer interface that helps people with paralysis control devices just by thinking about it. This is crazy, right? But wait, it gets crazier. They teamed up with NVIDIA AI and Apple Vision Pro to make it faster, smarter, so it can decipher different brain signals into very clear commands to control devices. Do you think this is the future of telekinesis?
Well, maybe.
But for now, it helps people with disabilities regain their independence. And that alone makes it pretty awesome. Would you like a chip reading your thoughts? Or would you like to keep your thoughts hidden? Let me know below. Did you hear about water in space?
What?
Babe, you should! Because the space is soaked up in water, and I'm not even kidding. There is a lot of water in space, but not like in all surrounding oceans. Space isn't some big space stuff. But water molecules do float around in the form of vapor, ice, and even potential ocean, hiding in plain sight in the cold, in the dark corners of the cosmos. Would you like some intergalactic iced tea, anyone? So we have giant clouds of water vapor that has been found around young stars. So these star babies are literally stewing in vapor. Kinda like a celestial sauna. These clouds form when hydrogen and oxygen meet and greet in just the right cosmic conditions. That is so weird. Hydrogen and oxygen shaking hands, saying hello, nice to meet you, in the cosmic sauna. One other incident we know about is the formation of the cloud near a black hole in the quasar EPM. Hold your breath now.
08279 plus 5255.
That's the whole name of this black hole. So black holes are not only dense, but also they have really large names. Contains 140 trillion times more water than Earth's oceans.
That is so creepy.
That's the largest, wettest thing we've ever discovered. Basically, yes. Sitting 12 billion light years away.
Yeah, it's like around the corner.
Well, this is a proof that water has been around since the early universe, before even Earth was created. So,
Comets?
water. Yep, water.
So, exoplanets?
Even more water. Frozen, melted, vapor, you name it. Comets, moons, and exoplanets have like some sort of water. From icy trails on comets to underground oceans on Jupiter's moon Europa, space is literally a frozen juice box waiting to be sipped. Maybe if you have a 200 million kilometer straw, that is. Yeah, something like that. Maybe 10 times bigger as well. You can bring Super Mario to plumb his way into the universe so he can drink galactic, intergalactic water. Imagine this. What if at some point we could tap into this water source and use it to solve the water crisis on Earth? That's what I like to call a cosmic hydration. We have to think, this is how all revolutions start. So maybe one day we'll go from climate panic to cosmic plumbing. So next time someone is telling you,
yeah, the space is empty,
well, tell them it is not. It is dripping with secrets and most definitely water. And maybe aliens out there drinking their own ice latte. Until next time, see you guys. Bye! And if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit this bell button so you can watch my videos as soon as they come out. Bye-bye! Until next time!